Hello kids. Learn 20 amazing words from letter O. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is a fruit that is round and juicy. What is this? Orange. Can you say it? Orange. O is for orange. It flies at night and has big eyes. What is this? Owl. Can you say it? Owl. O is for owl. It is a big bird that cannot fly. What is this? Ostrich. Can you say it? Ostrich. O is for ostrich. It swims in water and has 8 arms. What is this? Octopus. Can you say it? Octopus. O is for octopus. It is a liquid used for cooking. What is this? Oil. Can you say it? Oil. O is for oil. It is a vegetable with layers. What is this? Onion. Can you say it? Onion. O is for onion. It is a shape like a circle. What is this? Oval. Can you say it? Oval. O is for oval. It is used to cook food. What is this? Oven. Can you say it? Oven. O is for oven. It is a sweet fruit with a hard seed. What is this? Olive. Can you say it? Olive. O is for olive. It is a big vehicle that travels in space. What is this? Orbiter. Can you say it? Orbiter. O is for orbiter. It is a place where doctors treat patients. What is this? Operation theater. Can you say it? Operation theater. O is for operation theater. It is used to row a boat. What is this? Oar. Can you say it? Oar. O is for oar. It is something we see in the sky at night. What is this? Orion. Can you say it? Orion. O is for Orion. It is a big sea animal. What is this? Oyster. Can you say it? Oyster. O is for oyster. It is used to store water. What is this? Overhead tank. Can you say it? Overhead tank. O is for overhead tank. It is a tool used to measure. What is this? Odometer. Can you say it? Odometer. O is for odometer. It is a place where many plants grow. What is this? Orchard. Can you say it? Orchard. O is for orchard. It is the art of folding paper into shapes. What is this? Origami. Can you say it? Origami. O is for origami. It is a strong animal that helps in farming. What is this? Ox. Can you say it? Ox. O is for ox. It is a place full of water. What is this? Ocean. Can you say it? Ocean. O is for ocean. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter P.